Hello, Oki. My name is Don McIntyre. I'm assistant professor at the Dhillon School of Business, and I've been asked in about 3 minutes to tell you a little bit about the Indigenous Governance and Business Management Program. The end of this presentation, what I hope to do is explain to you what types of jobs are available and how much you will make, because I think those are the really important questions that everybody's asking. The Indigenous Governance and Business Management Program offers a unique approach to Indigenous management training and prepares graduates for careers in leadership, government, business management, band administration, and self-government. This prepares you for any job you will ever have in Alberta, any job you will ever have in Canada, and really the understanding of how Indigenous business models and Indigenous governance works will prepare you for any job anywhere in the world. Students' foundational courses are in Indigenous contemporary political finance, legal, and economic systems. What we do is we teach you the systems that most programs don't teach you. Students are able to apply this foundational knowledge through coursework and address specific issues in governance and business. We offer a number of different programs. They're listed here. Nobody's given me enough time to actually go through them. If you would like, at the very end of this, we'll have a place where you can contact more people about more information. We have a core set of courses which prepare you for the discussions that'll happen later when you go into two streams. We have two streams within our majors: Indigenous Governance and Indigenous Business Management. We also have minor core 6-course minors open to all students. Again, this is the type of information that will help you get any job anywhere in the world. Where are our graduates? Our graduates do Indigenous relationships, they're business facilitators, resource managers, they do program facilitation, finance clerks. They are traveling across Canada and outside of Canada for their work. Student support services and programs that we have a mentorship program, an elder support program, tutorial program, laptop lending program, and new student bursary for distant Indigenous students coming to Lethbridge. We have our youth mentor program allows individuals to work with students from the elementary and middle school. Our elders, we have an elder on site once a week who will help you by telling you stories, provide cultural teachings and spiritual mentoring. We have tutorials that are free to all students. If you need more information, in the end, what I want you to know is what type of job can you get by taking Indigenous Governance and Business Management as your major or minor. Any job you ever wanted. What this does is offer you the opportunity to have a cutting edge advantage as we are looking at a reconciling nation, where the Truth and Reconciliation Report has said that we have to fill these gaps. You are being given the opportunity to do just that. What type of job can you get with this? Any job you want. How much money? That's up to you. If you have any questions, you can contact Andrea Amelix. She is the Director of Indigenous Governance and Business Management. Rhonda Crow is the Indigenous Learning and Program Coordinator. Or myself, my name is Don McIntyre. My email is don.mcintyre, that's don.mcintyre@uleth.ca. Thank you, miigwech, and have a great day.